All right, guys, heading next door here. Today we're going to be walking around a 1963 Impala. This car here has air ride on it, a date code correct 327. I kind of want to scuff down the front of the block and see if it's a matching number block. They've got a thick layer of paint on the block, painted it gold, so I couldn't get the numbers off of it there. But it is a date code correct motor. Pretty clean. I got the air ride all the way up because we're going to be going for a test drive. During the test drive, I'll be letting it down, showing off some of the air ride features. Throughout this video here, we're going to point out any kind of flaws in the paint. We're going to pop the trunk, check the interior out, give you some undercarriage shots, and hopefully that'll go over everything to let you know everything about this car. That way when you come down here, you're ready to go. You can check our website out, maplemotors.com. Close to 100 detailed pictures, financing information, wheels, tires, parts, and accessories. And yes, I can ship these cars all over the US. So guys, my name's Nick. I'm gonna be going through this car with you today. If you have any other questions, you can give us a call, 615-822-4444. We'll start up here in the front. You know you love the wheels on this thing. Fender wheels are nice and clean. You see them shining. This thing's pretty sweet. I'm gonna go ahead and shut the door. Bumper up front's not new, but it still looks like it's in good condition. The grill looks awesome. I'm not seeing any dents or chips on that. Like I said, that air ride's all the way up right now. It could probably come up just a hair more, but it's high enough. Trim looks good all around the windows. This is like a pearl white on the top. When we can get the sun back out, you'll be able to see what I'm talking about. It's pretty. Bottoms of the doors, bottoms of the car, it looks pretty good. Oh, there's a little crack right here in the paint. See that? Shining up now. Sun's poking through. Paint job on this car looks pretty good. Rear bumper's in the same condition. It's not new, but it looks great. Very light, fine scratches on it. Just showing some age. There's a little ding dead center of the hood here. I mean the trunk. Light scratches on some of this trim. Like a little chip right there by the trim. Exhaust is dumped out right in front of the driver tire there. Crack in the exact same spot on the driver's side. So that fender's a little bit pushed out there in the front, a little bit further than the rest. Bottoms of the doors on this car look solid. I was talking about that right there. Well, it went around this one pretty fast. There wasn't too many flaws. We're gonna go ahead and open the trunk up. It's a pretty nice car. See if there's any water or anything in here. It did rain last night, so. Always check up under here. Make sure it's nice and solid. This trunk looks dry. No, it's got some water in it. I spoke too soon. A little water's getting in somewhere. AC compressor in there. I didn't actually look under the hood to see if this one still had one on it. It's quite heavy, so I'm just gonna lift it up here. It's got some surface rust under there. It's fairly solid. There's not any moisture on this side. It's mostly on this side. Trying to look around the tanks here for the air ride. Weather stripping looks fairly new, so it's got to be coming in from the back window. Trunk lid's in great shape. All right, let's go ahead and check the interior out. It shuts down nice. I'm gonna peek up front, see if they did put a new air compressor on it. No, they didn't. It's like your heater core is hooked up, but I love this interior. It's looking pretty good. Weather stripping looks nice around the door. That's been replaced. Checking the bottoms of the door. Solid. Trim looks good coming in. The carpet looks nice. Go ahead and take your vote. Do you think the horn works? Top right corner. Package tray looks good. Headliner's in great shape. This one was a little cold-natured, helping it warm up. It was just idled really low. The dash looks good. Showing 80,000 miles on the dash. It's hard to stand behind something this old to prove the miles. Let's go ahead. Did you take the poll? Don't look like the horn works. But somebody told me to start the cars. I don't see why that'd be a big deal, but I didn't touch the gas. It's still pretty cold. Temperature's all the way down. It got pulled out here about an hour ago. Try the horn again. The car on. Didn't work. Radio. Radio does work. It's a newer model digital radio. There's your air ride PSI. Your switch to cut it off and on is back here. Flip the switch, have your tanks running back there. They're pretty quiet. You can't even hear them inside here. I can, just slightly. Oil pressure's shoots up to almost 75 once you give it gas. It's just idled really low. I mean, this thing's probably at 700 RPM. Wiper blades, they look like they're in good shape. Let's try the wipers out. And they work. Air, let's see if the fan works. I'm not getting anything, so I'm gonna assume it doesn't. Of course, to drop the car, you just push down on the switches. I think the right's the front, the left's the rear. We're gonna be doing that on the test drive, so be looking that up through the test drive video. Better get these wires away from them exhaust. I'll reroute them before we take off on a test drive. Try to fix that so we ain't got to worry about them burning up. Motor seems nice and quiet. Mild cam. Got the aluminum radiator with a fan on outside here and a fan on the inside. Nice little setup. I'm gonna shut the hood down. Let you see how it lines up. Comes down nice and easy. Lines up good. I'm gonna be giving you some undercarriage shots. That's why I left it all the way up. We'll start up here in the front, go over to the driver's side, the rear, and the passenger side, and we'll get ready for this test drive. I do appreciate y'all watching. If you don't mind, help us out by sharing this video, sharing this whole channel. It helps us get more subscribers, get our videos out there. You want more information on more of our cars? Every Monday we update, so be looking around noon on Mondays. You can see all the new cars that we got in, and we actually uploaded 14 this last Monday, which was yesterday. We got close to 100 detailed pictures of each car, financing information, shipping options. We got accessories and parts and wheels and tires. You can find all of that at maplemotors.com. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button, because I post videos every day. You can hit the notification bell after you subscribe, and it'll say, hey, look, Maple Motors just posted a video. My name's Nick. You can call up here anytime, 615-822-4444. We're all family, be happy to help you out. So, thanks again for watching. Y'all have a good one. It's about test drive time. In the bottom right corner of your screen, it'll be like the last 30 seconds of this video. It'll take you to the test drive of this Impala. If you want to join us, let's go for a ride. Thanks again, guys.